Welcome back, YouTube, to another C-Dad Gaming video. Today we're going to be evolving a koffing into a wheezing, and we have caught enough koffing to get enough koffing candy to do this decently rare evolution. I think it's going to be at least 1,000 maybe. Well, let's see how this goes out. I actually caught this last koffing in my neighborhood. I was walking around, caught it. And there he is. There's Wheezing. Wow, he's 1107. That was more than I expected, honestly. And he's actually a pretty decent Pokemon. Let's see, by CP, where does he rank? He ranks at number 15, I think? Yeah, it's 15. But he could be good since he's poison. I don't know. So I'm pretty sure that that's actually all that we have for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and